Simon here from Twin Lakes Falconry Centre. Today we've got the golden eagle out. A beautiful sunny day, just right for flying this bird. The bird likes wind, but unfortunately we haven't got a lot, but we still need to exercise him. And his name is Tarim, and he's Britain's golden eagle, and called the golden eagle because they have that beautiful golden nape there at the back of the head, and that's why they're called that. Now look where his eyes are, side of the head, so he has all-round vision without ever turning his head. And they say that when we say eagle-eyed, that's 8 to 10 times better than us. And also, for every sensitive cell we have in our eye, the golden eagle has 7. And they say a golden eagle can see the blink of a grouse's eye at 1 mile away. So how cool is that? Now the way that this bird hunts is he opens those big broad wings, 6-foot wingspan, and then right at the end of the wings he has feathers that stick out that actually look like fingers. You look at your hand and open your fingers, you can then see just the way that the flight is of the golden eagle. And that's because they can cut through wind and they can get height, and with that tremendous eyesight they then drop in on their prey, and they have great big feet, 30 pounds per square inch pressure in each foot. So once they grip their prey, they're not letting go, and that's how again they catch their prey. Excellent hunters. And don't think that this bird flies around and catches everything it sees. Only 1 in 6 flights is successful out there in the wild with these birds, so they have to do an awful lot of hunting all day long. But we're going to exercise him anyway, so we'll give him a little fly. We're going to put him on the line because it's a very this time of year we've got lots of wildlife about, which we don't want the eagle hunting, so we'll just pop him on the line and we'll give him a little bit of exercise. Okay then, so there we go, we've flown the golden eagle, Tarim there. He's had a great time, he's actually had a nice fly. Now he's ready for a bath, and also we'll give him his breakfast as well. So join us again next time, and we'll have a new bird for you to see, and we'll tell you all about it.
Ready for an all-action adventure? The fun never ends, Twin Lakes.